Albert because Albert really loves to share his skills. He has been doing this for the past 20 years. In the next 30 minutes, we're gonna get to know Albert even more, his personal life. What's it like to, start out as a makeup artist and then build a business? All of these things that can inspire people here who are, probably dreaming of having your own makeup brand someday, your own beauty brand someday. This is the place to be. So without further ado, I'd like to call on my mentor. Ang tawag na turo sa akin, mag-nose tayo ng tama.
Beautiful afternoon, everyone. Hi, guys. Hello. Hi, Mika. Hi.
Okay, Albert, let's go. Okay. Please, yes, a round of applause for Albert. Very fast na mo. Alright, Albert, let's get straight into it. I know you're a very busy person. We talked a little bit backstage about everything you planned for Tivion. But let's backtrack. What was the turning point na makeup artist ka and then you're like, oy, nagising ka na lang ba? And I want to start a beauty brand. I want to start Tivion. What started that for you?
Showbiz or yung totoo?
Yung totoo!
Okay, I am in the industry where nothing is permanent. Every day there's new talent coming in. I just want to have a little bit of security. Okay. So I keep on thinking what is next for me. And then of course, second factor is I grew up in the family that really pushes us to the limits. It really gives me a lot of challenges also and really wants to prove them that I can do it also. And then thirdly is because of you guys also. To make more accessible beauty products with a good quality that can compete with international brands.
I love it. I love the truth in those answers. But let's himayin natin. Let's go through that. You did mention family, and I know you share a very close relationship with your parents, especially your mom. How has your mom been instrumental in what you do for the Beyond?
My mom is the first person who made me fall in love with makeup for the first time. That's why I named the brand that I have is Teviant, because it's her name. So she's not only my #1 fans, but she's also my #1 critics and my #1 bashers. I think we need that kind of person in our life to make us stay grounded. All right?
The reality.
The reality, yes. And then also, my dad, ang laki tulong niya sa akin in terms of teaching me and guiding me in terms of the business aspect of Tevian. So, every single day is a learning process pa rin sa amin sa Tevian and for me. I guess both of them is really giving me the strength to keep on going, to make me feel secure also na tama ang ginagawa ko.
I love that, right? I mean, family is a really good motivation.
Well, yes. I know that we are, as a human being, we are a social being. But after all, you always come back to your own roots and then you feel secure and you feel home with your family.
But what do you call this, Albert? I mean, Tagyuan has been around for the past 7 years. I'm sure you went through seasons wherein, oh, that was a mistake. Oh, that was a good decision, right? Were there certain lessons that you feel you would have wanted to know before that can inspire our beauty lovers here who are thinking of, coming up with a beauty business?
Always believe in your own talent. Believe in yourself, because when you believe yourself, you act it and then you embrace it, and it will portray the way you move, the way you act to people, the way you respond, the way you react to people, and the way you communicate to people. And the rest will just follow.
So believe in yourself. Kasi sometimes self-doubt is our #1.
I mean, it's really, really normal to have a self-doubt. Okay, I'm going to share you my personal experience. When I was younger, I have this habit that I keep on writing on the mirror on my bathroom.
Writing.
Writing using a marker or using a lipstick. So it will become a habit for me. So the first thing that I wake up, that's the first thing that I will see, and the last thing that I will see before I sleep. So all my dreams, all my target, all my goals there.
So basically, your vision board was your mirror.
Yes. So that's what really pushes me whenever I have doubt, whenever I am tired, whenever I am burnt out. We're human, right? So there are times talaga na nakakapagod, nakaka-stress, di ba? So sabi ko parang, every time I see that, oy girl, hindi ka pwede magpahinga, ang layo pa yung dream mo. So, you have to stay focused talaga.
Okay, so alam nyo na, pag-uwi, susulatin natin lahat ang mirror natin. Okay? But Albert, I know you have a very interesting story of how Tevion came to be. Before we jump into the details about Tevion, I just want everybody here to know, that kind of story. Because I know you went to the Philippines with hardly anything, just a dream. And all those dreams on your mirror. What was that like?
It was scary. I was like 22. I was bringing only with me $100 to move to the Philippines. And then I really think a way, how am I going to survive? How am I going to last? Because like what I said earlier, I grew up in the family na my dad is really strict. When you graduated talaga, kailangan ka magtrabaho for him. Ako, pinakita ko talaga sa kanya, if I take a decision, there's no turning back. And I think I use that as a motivation that I have to prove to do something. Luckily that I got the opportunity to do something that I love the most, to make it as my bread and butter.
And you made it.
Yes.
Right? It's here.
And that's because everybody here in the Philippines also, and they embrace me, they welcome me really well. It's all about your self-belief. Because when I first moved here, guys, the trends of beauty was there's no makeup look, no mascara, as in minimal mascara, minimal eyebrow, there's no false lashes yet that time. And then eyeliner also ayaw rin nila. And then I was growing up in Indonesia, where we love everything plakado, everything pakak, parang yung full on glam. So I try to find a way how to adjust to the Filipino needs and then introduce with a distinct style to be different. Because I was thinking like, when I moved to the Philippines, there are so many famous and magagaling makeup artists. So basically, if I do the same what they're doing, so the competition is like, parang nobody will care for me because, okay, I'll go with this one. Kasi na may pangalan na, tapos the same result. So during that time, I have to think outside the box. Okay, sabi ko parang, see, what I will do, I'll do a soft glam bridal makeup. When I first do my bridal makeup gig, just gonna share to everybody here. I still remember and I still keep in touch with that bride. I posted it, like it's a full-on bridal makeup, like with false lashes, with eyelid tape, with a gloss, everything. And then, you know what? The next day, I got 20 inquiries.
20?
20.
Wow.
Yes. That's why I said, like, believe yourself. Believe yourself. You can do it and think of something to set you apart from the rest. Because if you keep on doing the same like what others doing, you're gonna be the same like others.
So Albert, you are a visionary. That is very clear. With everything that you've done at Tevion, you are a shaper and a mover in this, in the Philippine beauty industry, right? So I want to know though, out of all the products you created for Tevion, which is a lot, what is your favorite?
Oh my God!
Top 3. Kasi alam ko mahirap yan. Top 3. It's
Alam
like
mo,
choosing among your children, So, top 3.
Mika, you're throwing question like you're asking a parents kung sino yung favorite kid niya or favorite child niya, di ba? Ang hirap piliin yan. So, because my products in Tevion is like my babies, But, okay, it is what it is. Oh my God.
O sige,
Okay.
Complexion. Which
I think I will brave to answer it. I will have to pick is gonna be the Ultimate Skin Master collections, which is the base collections. Because not only as a makeup artist of 18 years, I was exposed with so many brands, so many high-end brands, local brands. I've been doing makeup for so many occasions. I've done wedding in the summer, in the heat of Palawan weather. Like I've done wedding in Egypt, in ibang country, even winter. I always dream of certain formulations which is versatile and also yet can work at the Filipino skin, Filipino lifestyle, and also Philippines weather. So what I did, I'm so lucky that with the R&D team and of course the lab and the chemists that I work with in Italy, we decided to invest. So technically, the technology of the Ultimate Skin Master collections, only Tevian in the world have the right to use that technology, which is the elastic technology and also the active ingredients. And the machine also, we invest also in the machine also. Yes, that's why it's actually one of the hardest R&D and product development that I've done. But yet, to see how much people loving it, is really giving me, a good, parang pwede na ako matulog mahimbing.
But you know what, like, if you haven't tried it, you have to. I mean, hearing from Albert, the amount of work that really goes into it, and I know the process. You keep traveling, you keep visiting the factory. Talagang if you're not happy with it, hindi natin ilalabas yan. I am not really into it. So you are the founder, you also do R&D, you also do creative director in Tevian. But can you walk us through the process of actually, before you launch a product into the market,
Okay.
how do you do it?
In Tevian, we do it quite different. Right now, we are working with technically 6 factories, and all of them say we are doing differently because I am being meticulous and then I am being precise with what I want. So technically, this is what we do. This is how we do it, okay? I just want to share to you guys so that you guys know also bakit in Tevian, pati restocking, medyo na-delay. Okay? Every production, so I conceptualize everything. I have a mood board, I have idea, product ideas, everything. And then I have to propose it to the board of directors of Tevian. And then the team of R&D. And then we propose also all factories that we're working with. So I don't choose which one I'm gonna award the factories with.
So you're very specific that I want the finish to be matte. I want
Yes.
those things.
Yes, and the criteria even to the picking of the active ingredients. I was pretty much involved with it. And then when they submitted their formulations, so I picked kung sino yung pinaka nakuha yung formulation yung gusto ko. And then after that, moving forward, we also do stability and compatibility test, which we will never skip it. And then after that, we in Tevian alone, we do internal tests. So we will do a test on 50 different women from different...
50 different women.
Yes.
Imagine that, trying you come up with a product, 50 different women.
Yes, from 50 different lifestyle, different age group, different, liking, and different behavior. So to get their feedback, and then after that, from there, if we got a positive feedback, that's the time we produce it. And then the reorder ganun ulit.
Every batch.
Every batch.
Even if you've already launched it,
Yes.
in the market, if you do a reorder, it's tested.
Yes, because we want to make sure that every batch is the same, every batch is perfect.
Ladies and gentlemen, now you know that every time you buy a Tevian product, that is quality right there. I mean, so much investment, pawis, tears, dugo.
Walang tulugan. And kahit yung mga production team namin and warehouse team namin, galit na galit sa akin kasi hindi ko pinapasa kung wala pa test.
Okay, Albert, when it comes to Tevian products, it is bar none really, really well done. Okay.
Thank you.
But your personality social life.
Oh, wow.
I mean, you're everywhere. You're traveling. I see your Instagram. You're everywhere. How do you relax?
Oh well, my life is like an open book, you know, like especially on social media. I don't filter whatever I want to say on my social media. So I guess everybody already knows that I love to cook. That's how I distress myself, and
Indonesian food.
and many more. And I love to travel definitely. And lastly, to spend time with my pet. So many people don't know that I have 13 dogs.
13.
Yes, I have 15 cats. I have 7 parrots. I have 3 tortoises.
May zoo bushes ba?
Hindi pa ako tapos. I have 4 chicken. And lastly, I have 2 peacock.
Oh my God!
Yes.
I love it. Animal lover.
Yes, I am very animal lover. Yes.
Animal lover.
That's why in Tevian also I translated in every production. We don't do animal testing.
Okay, now you know. Now you know. I love that we're getting to know Albert even more personally. But Albert, if there are 3 words to describe Albert Quinawan, what would it be?
Akala ko sumali lang ako dito sa beauty con. Yun pala, beauty contest pala ito. So, okay, 3 words. Oh my God. Wait lang ah. Talo na agad ako sa Q&A ito. Wait lang. Okay. Definitely, I'm ambitious. Okay? I am ambitious. I am resilient. Maybe lastly, maganda. Katulad nyo lahat.
Correct.
Katulad nyo lahat.
Oo, napupuyat siya nagka-travel. Pero hindi nagkaka-wrinkles.
Oh, grabe. Meron na. Meron na.
To believe all this, Albert, you had a lot of milestones in your career as a celebrity makeup artist, as a founder of a beauty brand. But what would you say is your proudest moment?
I live my life to the fullest every day. I think you shouldn't regret everything that you do every day, and you should make sure that you do everything or you give everything to the maximum level. I think my Tevian team and Tevian family also, they know how I work. I like to push people because that's how I work. I like to push myself beyond my limits. Siguro, the most significant is probably the time that I moved to the Philippines, just bringing $100 to be able to make a career. And a few years after, I have so many celebrity clients. And 10 years after, I launched my own beauty brands. And lastly is to be an Indonesian moving to the Philippines, not knowing anyone and not knowing a single Tagalog word. But now, marunong na po ako mag-Tagalog fluently. At marunong na rin ako, kasabot rin ako Bisaya. Okay? And then we'll be able to be loved and to be accepted by a lot of Filipino. That's really my proudest moment. It's not easy, but I am so proud. Sometimes when I travel, it's easier to explain I am Filipino than I am Indonesian. Kasi kung sabi ko Indonesian, saan yun? Is it Bali? Sabi ko, Filipino. Mas madali.
Correct. But what is what's next for the Beyond? Without spoilers.
Okay, like what I said, I always, like what I said, I never gatekeep anything, okay?
Record nyo na to. Post nyo na sa social media.
Okay, I've been doing the R&D production trip the past 2 weeks from Indonesia, Philippines. I went to China for packaging to be shipped to Italy. And in 2 days, I'll be going to Italy because right now, our 3 productions is already done and they're about to ship to the Philippines. And probably the biggest another mileage from Tevian. As an Indonesian, of course, it's my dream to make Tevian to be available in Indonesia. So we are doing the papers already and hopefully malapit-lapit na.
That's so nice. You know, when Tevian goes global, as it is going global, you saying that it is a Filipino brand, that means something to all of us here, right? So a round of applause to the efforts of Albert.
Because after all, Tevian is not only for me. Tevian is a venue for every Filipino who love beauty, who love makeup. Because Filipino welcome me without a doubt and embrace me really well here. So it's a way of me thanking everybody, every Filipino, to make you guys proud by translating it through my brand, through my products, and hopefully kahit sa Indonesia, it will be also make you proud also.
So let's end with that, Albert. But is there anything you want to let Filipinos here, Filipinos who are beauty enthusiasts here, is there something you want to leave with them?
I'm not gonna say only specifically for beauty enthusiasts lang. I guess for everybody. Alright? That's something that I always put in my mind. Always stay focused. Always believe in yourself. There's nothing impossible. Kahit you think that a door is closed, but it's not probably locked. So what you have to do, you just have to push harder and open it to be able to enter.
There you have it, everybody! Mr. Albert!
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
There you have it. That's all the time we have. But what a discussion! Really learning from a pro about Tevian. Now you know that every bottle, every can of Tevian.
Thank you so much, everyone.
For every Filipino.
Thanks, Mika.
Thank you, Albert.